How to build a web app using Bubble AI. First, open your web browser and go to bubble.io. Then, sign into your Bubble account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the Bubble dashboard, click the Create with AI button in the top right corner. Bubble AI will open the app generator. Make sure Web is selected. Then, click inside the prompt box and describe the web app you want to build. For example, type Build a task management web app with user login, a dashboard, task creation, due dates, notifications, and progress tracking. After entering your prompt, click the arrow button to continue. Bubble AI will automatically generate your web app, including pages, layouts, workflows, and the database structure. Once your app is ready, review the generated design. You can edit the text, customize the layout, add new pages, and modify workflows using Bubble's visual editor. Next, click Preview to test your web app and make sure everything works correctly. Finally, continue editing your project or publish it whenever you're ready. That's it. You've successfully built a web app using Bubble AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, no-code development tips, and easy tech guides.